Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. Yes, in today's video I am going to discuss with you about all the instructions which are to be followed before going to a Navodaya exam. Okay, I think almost from nearly 1 year you have prepared for this exam and finally the date has come day after tomorrow only. Yes, that is on 11th August, right? From 11:30 to 1:30 you are having exam. Yes, and this is your hall ticket. And first what you need to do is check all your details here, Nana, whether your name, father's name, date of birth, address, everything is correct or not. Okay, you check, and if any wrong is there you can inform to your teacher. And see here, you can see the photo no here signature is there no, in the same way how you have signed here, here also you need to sign. See here it is in the signature of the candidate. In the application how you have signed, in the same way you need to sign here. Okay, in the exam hall, not here, don't sign here. After going to exam hall, there in front of your teacher you need to do your signature here. Next, signature of the invigilator. Invigilator means nothing but your teacher. Here your teacher will sign in the exam hall. Okay, next we shall see the instructions come here one by one. Is it clear, Nana? Can you see? Yes. Let us see what is the first instruction. No candidate will be allowed to the test without the admit card under any circumstances. Okay. Without this hall ticket, they will not allow into the exam center. You need to take this admit card. Admit card means nothing but this only a hall ticket. Next, check the second point. Check the particulars in the admit card carefully. Error, if any, must be immediately reported to the principal of the, this is what Jawahar, okay, Navodaya, and email to jnvrangareddy at the rate gmail.com. Okay, just now I told now if any details are wrong, you can inform to the, see in this email you can post it. Okay, or else there you can say to teacher also. Next, third one. No electronic devices or gadgets except ordinary wristwatch are allowed into the examination hall. That means any phones, calculators are not allowed. Only watch you can keep. Okay, even though if you are not keep watch also no problem. There, however, teacher will say for every half an hour or 1 hour, teacher will be saying time for you. Okay, so except watch, anything is not allowed like phones or calculators. Okay, all those. Next, fourth point. Do not carry any article except admit card and black or blue ballpoint pen in the examination hall. Okay. While going into the exam hall, what you need to take, Nana, your admit card, that is your hall ticket, and black or blue pen. If you want to write with black pen, take 2 or 3 black pens and go. With blue pen means 2 or 3 blue pens. Okay. Only these pens and your hall ticket only are allowed into the examination hall. Clear? Next point. Candidate is required to report to the examination center last by 10:30 a.m. Okay, at least your exam starts at 10:30. So by 10:30 a.m. you need to be there. Okay, before only if you go into the exam hall, your teacher will say you all the instructions how to fill the OMR sheet and all those. Okay, by 10:30 you need to be there. Next. Candidate will not be permitted to appear for the test if reports late. Okay, if you go late to the exam, you will be not allowed exam. Next, total duration of the examination is 2 hours. Okay, what is your exam time, Nana? 2 hours. That is 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Right? Yes, 1 minute. Yes, where we are now? Your exam time is from 11:30 to 1:30. However, in respect of candidates with special needs, Divyang, that means handicapped people will be there. No additional time of 40 minutes will be provided. Okay, those who are having physically problem, for them 40 minutes extra will be there. Okay, who are perfectly all right, for all of them exam will be for 2 hours. That is 11:30 to 1:30. Next, is 15 minutes of additional time is allowed for reading the instructions from 11:15 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So your exam starts at 11:30 a.m. now. So from 11:15 to 11:30 a.m. what you should do? All the instructions will be there. They'll give you OMR sheet no, on that how to fill the OMR sheet, how to write the exam. All the instructions will be there. So you need to go to before exam at 10:30 a.m. only. There all teacher will say you instructions, and on the OMR sheet whatever instructions are there also you can read before 15 minutes of starting the exam, that is 11:15 to 11:30 a.m. Clear? Seventh point. Before answering, the candidate has to ensure that the question booklet contains 80 questions serially numbered from 1 to 80. In case of discrepancy, the candidate should immediately report the matter to the invigilator for replacement of the question paper. Okay. First, when they give you question paper, you'll open at 11:30. Inside, you should see whether all the 80 questions are there correctly or not. Order wise, 1, 2, 3, like that. Or whether you got all 80 questions or not. If any pages are not printed in the middle. Okay. Suppose so immediately you need to say for your teacher. So the teacher will give you other question paper, okay, but they will not give other OMR sheet. Remember, OMR sheet will come correct only one they will give to each student. If question paper is wrong, if you have not got any questions correctly, if you say to your teacher, teacher will give you replace the other question paper. Clear? Next, 8th point, see here, use blue or black ballpoint pen only to write on OMR sheet. Use of pencil is strictly prohibited. So what they're saying, Nana, only pen is allowed for the examination hall. If you want to write with blue pen, take blue pen and go. If you want to write with black pen, take black pen, but don't take both pens and get confused there. Okay, whichever pen you want to write, take only one pen, and don't take the new pen. Use somewhat rough work at home only and take somewhat used pen you take, and take the ballpoint pen only. However, about this OMR sheet bubbling also, I'll do one more video. Okay. Next, what is this point is important. Use of pencil is strictly prohibited. You should not use any pencils. You should use only black pen or blue pen. Okay. Next, 9th point, see here, each question is followed by 4 alternative answers marked A, B, C and D. Candidate is required to select the correct answer and darken the corresponding circle of the chosen answer on the OMR answer sheet. No negative marking will be done. So what they're saying, for one question, A, B, C, D options will be there. You all know that. And for each question, only one option should be bubbled. 2, 3 options you should not bubble. Okay. Suppose for first question answer is B. After bubbling B, again if you think B answer is wrong and if you want to bubble C, you can't bubble. Okay. So you should think carefully, and for one question, one option only you need to bubble. Okay, they doesn't give you other OMR sheet, only one will be given. And this point is very important. No negative marking will be done. So you are not having negative mark. This is your advantage. So keep all the 80 questions bubbling and come. Don't leave any question even though you know or you don't know. Suppose if you know 60 questions, bubble all the 60 questions. The remaining 20 questions, even though if you don't know, you should bubble. You should keep some or the other option and come, but don't leave the question like that only and come, because negative marking is not there. You should bubble all the questions and come. Clear? Yes. Now moving to the 10th point. The question paper of same medium of examination as mentioned in the admit card will be provided. No change of medium of question paper is permitted. Okay, while applying for exam, if you keep as English medium, the paper will be available for you in English only, and if you keep as Telugu medium, the whole paper will be available for you in the Telugu language only. But after going there, if you say I doesn't want in Telugu, I want English, or I don't want in English, you want Telugu, means there they will not exchange. Okay, while applying, before in the application process, which language you keep, that one only will be provided. Clear? Next, 11th point. Candidate must attempt all questions of each section. One has to qualify in each section separately. Okay, what they're saying, each candidate should attempt each and every question, and one has to qualify in each section separately. Qualifying mark won't be there overall itself. Like you are having 3 subjects, right? Mental ability, arithmetic and English. Suppose if you got in mental ability many marks and English, if you have not written nothing, and minimum pass marks you should get even in English also, because for every paper qualifying mark is separate. If you got 40 out of 40 in mental ability and if you failed in English, you won't get the seat. Okay, minimum qualifying marks you should get in each and every subject. Okay, yes. Now moving to the C. Next page also some instructions are there, I think so. 1 minute. This page is not. Yes, now see here. This is the second page. I'm zooming it. Next, what they have given, see, candidates must fill roll number on OMR sheet as well as on the question paper. So they will give you roll number, no, that roll number must be filled on the OMR sheet, and on your question paper also you need to write the roll number. Next, no change in the answer once marked is allowed. Okay, just now I told, no, after marking any answer in the OMR sheet you can't change the option. Next, overwriting, cutting and erasing on the answer sheet is not allowed. Okay, on the OMR sheet, on that only more and more writing or rubbing, I told already pencil is not allowed, so you should not spoil the OMR sheet. Neatly for each question one answer only you should bubble, and you should not do any rough work on the OMR sheet. Clear? Yes, because it will be scanned by the computer. Next, 14th point, use of whitener or correction fluid or eraser on OMR sheet is not allowed. Okay, there you will be not allowed any whiteners or doing correction, can't do on the OMR sheets. 15th point, do not make any stray mark on the OMR sheet. I told, no, you should not draw any rough work or anything, you should not do on the OMR sheet. Only neatly you need to write for each question what is the answer, you need to bubble there, you need to write your name, signature and give it carefully to your teacher. Yes. Next, 16th point, last point, the candidate shall not leave the hall before 1:30 p.m. and without handing over OMR sheet to the invigilator. Remember, till 1:30 you should not go outside. From 11:30 to 1:30 you should sit there only, and after completing exam, carefully you should give your OMR sheet to your teacher, and then you can leave the exam. Clear? Here, special instructions for candidates. See, due to this COVID, they have given more instructions for you. That means nothing but to carry all what mask, water bottle. Here it will be there. See, first one, may carry hand sanitizer in transparent water bottle. Okay, you need to take the sanitizer. Clear? First point, you need to take sanitizer. Second, will cover their nose and mouth with mask always in the center. You need to keep your mask and go. Will follow social distancing norms strictly. Before their friends will be there. If you meet any friends, you should not talk with them. Okay, this is Corona time now, so you should maintain distance. Before you and your friend, there should be some gap. That is, you should maintain social distance. They are saying. Okay. Next, they will give some boxes for you, they will provide boxes, and in that boxes only you need to stand, and you should maintain the distance. Fourth point, will not exchange or loan articles like pen, pencil, ruler, eraser inside examination room. So like if you want pen, pencil, you should not ask your friends. Okay. Next, may carry their own drinking water bottle. You need to take your own water bottle. This is Corona time now. If you take your water bottle, it's best. Mask is, where is it? Yes, mask is compulsory, sanitizer is compulsory, water bottle is also compulsory, and you should take your own pens. However, pencil, all these are not allowed. Pen, whatever pen, if you want black or blue, anything, take 2 and 3 and go. It's fairly. If extra is there, it is good now. Next, sixth one, should try to avoid contact with unknown persons. You should not be in contact with any unknown persons who you don't know, they are saying. Next, will throw used tissue or face mask, if any, into closed bins immediately after use. If you want to throw anything, you should throw in the dustbins only. Eighth point, will maintain good hygiene in toilets during and after use. Means before and after coming to toilets, like that you need to use sanitizer and wash properly and be neat. Next, ninth point, see here, should not touch eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Without washing your hands properly, you should not touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Clear? 10th point, will not shake hands or hug at any cost while greeting. So if you meet any friends there, you should not hug them or you should not shake hands with them because of the pandemic situation. Clear? 11th point, will not spit in public places. So there in the places wherever you go near exam center, wherever you want, you should not spit there. Okay. Next, should be confident that they are not infected or having any symptoms of COVID-19. So before going to the exam hall, however, they'll check the temperature. No, you should not have any COVID symptoms. Suppose if you have any cold, cough, fever, you should not go to exam, and they also will not allow into the exam hall for you. 13th, will seek advice on COVID-19 from their parents before leaving for examination center. Means from your parents, they'll ask you whether you're having COVID or not. Like that, they'll take information about everything. Next, will sanitize hands with sanitizer before entering the center. Before going to the exam, you should sanitize your hands with the sanitizer. Hand sanitizer will be available at various locations in the center. In the exam center, however, they will provide you hand sanitizer. Next, should reach center as per the reporting entry time mentioned in the admit card to avoid any crowding at the center and maintain social distancing. So before going to the exam center only, you should go early so that you won't be any tensed and with so that crowd will be not there. Okay. So first only you go before only see all your number, which room, everything, check your center and be safe. Okay. Follow all these instructions. First, what are the important points we have discussed now? Mainly overall is that you take your hall ticket, your mask, water bottle, sanitizer, okay, and pen. Black pen means black pen, blue pen means blue pen. All this you need to take and write exam well. However, paper will come easy, children, because almost from 1 year you prepared, everything is over now. Write well your exam. All the best, children, from our smart study. And please share this video with all your friends, okay, because who don't know about this, if they watch they also will know. Okay, once again we wish you all the best from our smart study. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study.